Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at Bitcoin US dollar index on the daily time frame. Now, we are continuing to consolidate in this triangular pattern right here. Nice symmetrical triangle. And you can see the channels depict the little channel here depicted by these two trend lines up a diagonal here. Now, if I zoom in, now we're on a daily, so on an hourly, there's probably more confluence here. But you can see, even on the daily candles, boom, boom, boom right here. And back here, hit the center line there, or that trend line. And close the daily candle body here, another wick there. Now, in addition to this trend line, I kind of formed cloned that, pulled it down here to form the base of this symmetrical triangle. Now, I mean, that goes all the way till the end of next week, but we've been consolidating in it for a while, so it's about time to break out. We haven't quite broken out and hit these potential targets up here yet. You know what? And I forgot about Good Friday. So that's where we're at today. Not sure what this weekend will bring. If we do see a breakout from this starting on this symmetrical triangle here, possibly continuing upwards in this channel. Imagine if there was a center line between these two trend lines here, and we continued onwards and upwards, hit the top here, possibly then come back down and retest the center line. And I'm already getting out into next week. Where's that? That's Sunday. Yeah, so maybe we break out here, come down Sunday, close the month somewhere between where we're at now and 73, and then start busting a move Sunday onwards and upwards from here. Now, what's interesting is that I found this new channel when I was analyzing all this. It's this lavender channel with the center line on this trend line that I described earlier. Now, you can see when I click on this, it's very interesting. If I can click on it, there you go. We have my, I just lost it. I want you to see where I put the dots here. The little round circles on Monday, the 29th of January and the 8th of April. That's where I, pulled my points when I was drawing that channel. And then, you know what? I'm going to get a drink. All right, so then I always like to extend the lines from the channel to see where it takes us. It takes us, the center line of the channel. Now, this green vertical line is my prediction of where the parabolic bull run will start on June 17th. And the center line of this channel takes us to about 100,000 right there. which is a good story to tell. And by the halving event, the top of the channel is about 90,000. Center line of the channel is 79,000. And the bottom of the channel, where's that? 68,000. That's not a good spot to be. Anyway, then what I really noticed, what is really, really key here, and I just did this like less than an hour ago. I had this thing stopped here on January 9th. I didn't extend the left line on this parallel channel here, past those two dots right there. And I thought, hey, let me see where this goes to the left. So I extended the left line, and look where it goes. Look how price action had been traveling right along the base of that channel there. Prior to that, we'd been falling out of it, but if you go back further, you can see even here, the center line of this channel is where we fell through in August. When we broke the center line of that channel. Now, when I pull up my other channels, this has got to be like related to the, let me do something. I'm going to go on my computer and it's going to appear here. Where's my blue channels? My blue channel group. Let me turn this on and see what happens. No. Oh, okay. Oh, that's interesting. So the blue channel group. So I knew that's when we fell through the bottom of the blue channel. That's when we dropped here in August. But that intersects with the center line of this channel as well. Interesting. All right, let me turn that guy off. That's amazing how I can go on my computer and turn it on and it appears on my phone. That's crazy. This world. So then here, in June is where we started interacting with the channel. June of almost a year ago. And you can see, look at that. I drew it so accurately up there above that when I extended the lines, we hit the top of the channel precisely with these candle wicks right here and candle bodies here in June. A whole week full of that. And even this one below here wicked right up to the top of that channel in June of 2023. So this channel really has something to say here. Look at that. All throughout November and into December, or throughout the whole month of November, we traded right along the bottom of the channel there. And wicked right up to it there. Got rejected. Now what we've done since the end of February, the beginning of March, the end of February, we busted up back into this channel, hit the center line here. And currently we are being held down by the center line of the channel. So it makes sense that we're ready to bust a move upwards to there. And possibly we do follow out this pattern here. We bust a move up through here, come back down to the center line of the channel here, continue onwards and upwards. What's really, really interesting too is at the top of the channel hits right through my targets up here, my potential targets. Also, I pulled this target from the consolidation here in this triangle. Now I chose, you can see here where price action hits the top of the channel here, and then the bottom of the channel here as the target, and moving that over here from this point where I'm estimating a breakout on Sunday. That takes us right up to this potential area here at the top of the purple channel. Now, what you'll also notice too is this dotted green line down here. And if you remember what that is the top of our daily Gaussian channel, an estimation of that projected into the future. And what you can see is that we're getting closer and closer to that now. I don't believe we'll get there by the halving, but probably some point after the halving, we'll come back down into the Gaussian channel, and that'll pull price action sideways. Now let's turn on the Gaussian channel so you can see what's going on there. There it is. And we're following this line pretty accurately as I estimated it, because believe it or not, I've done this before. Now of course this curves and changes as price changes, but so I will have to continually readjust this to match this changing curve, but gives you kind of an idea of where we're going. And I'm assuming that price action will start going up, and that'll make the curve back upwards. And what you can see then is that this lavender channel that we're trading in this way brings us closer and closer to this Gaussian channel, and I see a collision occurring at some point, possibly, possibly sometime at the end of April, early May, that we collide back in with this channel. And that makes perfect sense with the sell in May and walk away narrative. And that also would be a nice pullback in May prior to our parabolic bull run, the start of our parabolic bull run in June. If we go, I'm going to turn the Gaussian channel off and go to a monthly time frame. That's going to throw all my lines out of whack. Oh, maybe not. That's odd. But if you go on a monthly time frame, you see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and April will be an 8th green candle, supposedly. So, heading into the Gaussian channel in late April, early May, would give us the necessary red candle that we need. I mean, it's only, yeah. And then we'll see what happens after that. Do we just get one monthly red candle and then boom, start again? Let's see what we've done back here. Yeah. Could just get like this. This could be April and then May and then June. Boom, 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 boom. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibly 7 months. And you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, possibly 7 months. Brings you right into November, December 2024. Now, the purple channel. Now, mind you, that's not even a parabolic angle here. That's less steep than what we've already. This is crazy. We're at 100,000 here. We start our parabolic run. Well, you see the numbers there. It's even more than I expected. I was thinking 187,000 by November-ish. And see, that makes sense. That's the top of the channel on December 1st. And I estimated this back in August of 23. Or even before that. Bum. But we could be even, whatever. Whatever. All right. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.